Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we are going to make blueberry buttercream. And this blueberry buttercream is so good, and you can really taste the blueberry because there's 3 different kinds of blueberry stuff in there. We're going to use some of this. This is organic blueberries. It's just freeze-dried, so if you can buy a pack of freeze-dried blueberries, we're going to use that to grind up here in our blender. And we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of this powder. So we're going to get this down to a fine powder. And that's really going to just pop the blueberry flavor. And it's also going to give you little specks of blueberry in your buttercream. And it really looks appealing and tastes so good. And so once it's ground down to a nice powder, we're going to set this aside. I'm going to put it in a separate bowl, and then I'm just going to use the blender again to blend up my fresh blueberries. Now the reason we need to blend the fresh blueberries instead of have little chunks of them or something in our buttercream is because the fresh blueberry, if they were little chunks, if it was sitting in your blueberry even for a couple hours, your blueberry buttercream would start to separate because of the liquid in fresh blueberries. So in order to add the fresh blueberries, it has to be completely and totally completely liquid, no pieces. And so that way we can still add our fresh blueberries, but we're adding it in liquid form. And we're gonna have to blend that fresh blueberry with the butter until it's completely mixed in. And that way we have blueberry buttercream without the separating. So we're going to pour it into a 1/4 cup, and we can put that right into our mixing bowl. In our mixing bowl, we're going to have the paddle attachment, and then we're going to have the 1 cup of room temperature butter right in there, and we're going to blend them both together really good on about medium speed for 5 minutes till it's completely incorporated into the butter. So basically you'll have some blueberry butter, and then from there we can make the amazing buttercream. You're going to want to scrape the sides, and so we're going to stop it halfway through our blending with the blueberries and the butter. We're going to scrape the sides, then we're going to mix it again, and then we're going to add some more ingredients. Okay, and at this point we're going to add our 4 cups of confectioners sugar. Now this is pure cane sugar, so it doesn't have that grainy texture that powdered sugar that's not pure cane has. Also, if you want a stiffer buttercream, you can add another cup at the end. And the reason I say at the end is because you want to see, after you've made it all, if it's stiff enough for what you want it to do. But then we're going to add some salt. There's a teaspoon of salt here. And then we're going to get our freeze-dried blueberries. We're going to take 3 tablespoons of that and go ahead and add it right in there. And then we're going to want to add 2 teaspoons of blueberry emulsion, and that is a lot like blueberry extract, but it's thicker. I really like the flavor of this. So we're going to go ahead and put that in, and now that is our 3rd blueberry item that we are adding to our buttercream, and with all 3 of those together, it just makes a really yummy blueberry flavor in your buttercream. And people don't have to wonder, I wonder what kind of buttercream this is, because you can't tell by the taste. But yes, you will definitely be able to tell this is blueberry buttercream, and it is so yummy. Then we're going to go ahead and mix it on low now. And the reason we do it on low is because I don't want to beat in extra little air bubbles. Those little air bubbles, they just don't look that good when you're piping. If you're going to pipe this on a cupcake, or even if you're trying to smooth it onto a cake, it's not going to smooth really well with all those little tiny air bubbles, and that gets really annoying when you're trying to smooth and you're like, why isn't it getting smooth? Well, it's because you've beaten air into your buttercream. So yes, just beat it on low just until it is fully incorporated. stop it and scrape the sides, and then let it go one more time on low speed. Next, I'm going to use a 1M tip, and I'm just going to pipe this right on my cupcakes that already have blueberry filling in them. And if you want to check out the blueberry filling recipe, it's on my channel, and it is amazing. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel.